live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Morning, guys. Bulenox still has the 91% sale till May 2nd. I took a look today, but Apex, they don't have anything on their homepage, so I'm not sure what Apex has. I have it listed there as 80%, but I don't know what it is today, and I didn't change my banner. What else? Good earnings reports. Yeah, I just didn't have a time to check yet. Okay, that's cool. Let's take a look at the 15-minute and get a bird's eye view of what's been happening. Hey, I don't know if you were around yesterday. Remember I was telling you the 80% rule? Where I said we tapped into the Asia session highs and the Asia session lows before the US market, and I said there's an 80% probability around this time right here, 9 o'clock. I said 80% probability we go back up to the Asia session highs, and look at that, boom, 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 boom. I said, of course, sometime during the US session, and that probability held true. Interesting. And right now, what did we do? Did we? Yeah, well, in this case, we broke the high, we broke the low, and then we went back up to the high. So that's it. That's over for there. But we're still maintaining bullish price action. And we're above the previous day's close and the previous day's high, and above VWAP. So that's pretty bullish for me. That's probably the direction I want to be trading in today. It sucks. Shit, damn. Okay. I just took a losing trade. Not happy. Let's get everything set up. Opening drive trade. You know what? I don't know if I'm going to try. I think there will be profit taking in stocks today. Sell the news. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll watch it. Good luck, OFT. I'll see you in your room later on. Trade safe. Be patient. Wait for your setups. I'm sure you do. You don't need me to tell you.
Pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see. Try to keep me down, but why? Every time you push me back, so don't ever my sweat it. Tonight I'm breaking free, like in the body. Feel it coming.
Open up the mic. Let's see what's next. The algo. So opening drive, I'm going to take off the takeoff. Let's enable the algo. The algo is going to be trading differently today a little bit. It's going to be based on the EMA bands instead of the linear regression bands. I coded that yesterday. So today I'm going to be testing it, so I guess I'm going to test it in a smaller size. Oh shit, I don't even have the templates. It's true. So what do we make? We make it 930. 09.
3, 2, 1.
8:30. You can start trading at 9:30, and it can trade until, I don't know, what's a good time? 11:45 a.m. The account will be an Apex account. The size, well, for today, just to make sure it's working, I'm going to lower the size to a 2-lot. Template. Save. And we'll call this Morning Apex. Save. Okay, it's ready to go. The only really thing I need to add now is the Crude. I'm curious to see Crude strategies. I don't know why I have to load them every morning. That's kind of silly. Clever Crude. Clever Crude looks like it's long, right? Coming up from underneath previous day's low. That's never really a great trade. We'll see what happens with that one. Opening drive I'll look at, but you know what? The variance is just too high. It's not for me. It's not for me. I watched it enough. Okay, let's wait for the markets to open. I'm going to try and use my trade copier. Where is it? Thought I had it opened. Let me check. Chart. What happened there? Account, market analyzer, control. No, it's not open. Oh, what's the volume? 400,000. That's pretty good. Volatility 8 ATR. Average 1 minute candle is 8 points. That's pretty good. So let's get the copier open. But I think today's gonna be a careful day because I broke my rules a little bit yesterday. Not very happy about that. I didn't know. I didn't know. Always on top. There we go. Much better. Much. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? I think I'm gonna go away for a minute. Yeah, I will. Just the camera. Don't worry about it. Okay. New. The Apex copier is fucking up. Watch out. There's another. Okay, let's just close them because they are all screwed up. And let's try to get another one opened. Seriously? You're going to do that to me? I don't even know how that happened, but not gonna ask questions. Always on top. Maybe the always on top. I was fighting with the camera settings. Let's see, is the camera back? Yeah, looks like it. How's the time is in the right place? There we go. Okay, all looks good. I don't want to take a trade early before the market opens, so I take my time. Power off. I'm putting it in. Why would it be power off? So yeah, let's watch the algo and see how it does today on the. Hello, David. Hello. Yeah, I broke some rules yesterday, so I gotta be more careful today. Today's a day of trading with no stress. Markets will open soon. Actually, I have a couple of new let's take a small. Let's take a small long before the market opens. I'm gonna add, if I can get a bullish bar there on the wrinkle chart. I'm taking it on my Bulenox account. And a full bearish bar underneath would be my stop, underneath the bands. I got view up there though, that's the problem. Shit. 13 seconds, 12. I'm just gonna plow through view up, stop a whole bunch of people out, including me. There we go. Anybody's guess which way we go. Like I only have 3. La gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Let's go, form another bullish bar. Ouch. Form another bullish bar. Oh, you're joking me. Come on. Wow, that doesn't make sense.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? To veil by life, move in me. Oh, mommy, does it go downtown? My body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me. Me tienes loco. Breaking my
Okay, what I'm doing is here is I'm not reacting quick enough.
You got that power over me. Can't fight this feeling. You're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning. Whoa, keep me winning. A power rush. Suspected inside, but you lose my mind. Every single touch got me hypnotized. No puedo parar, baby, let's not fight it. Tonight we fly higher and higher. Heart racing faster, can't slow it down. 이게 멈출 수 없어.
That's crazy, man.
Turn it up loud. You got that power over me. Me tienes loco. Breaking my self-control. Poco a poco. You got that
Okay.
over me. Can't fight this feeling. You're my energy.
Let's figure out where we are here. Are we on short or are we on long? We're on long. Okay. Short over there. Long on the top step charts. And top step charts still long for now. See what happens if we get higher. I'll take it if we get an entry. We got to get up to 47, 57 bid has to hold for me to go long. It looks like it's trying. 43.3, but if 36 on the offer holds, we're switching to a short bias. Getting close. That's it. Short bias. Great hanging order now in top step. There we go. I'm short. At least it didn't hang too long.
Every weekend, same routine. You was dancing with your crew. I was with mine. Silent battles, drawing lines. Ain't nobody crossed that floor till tonight when you said no more. The fire in your eyes when you step my way got me feeling like Prey.
Okay, that's a little crazy. I don't know if I could do that.
Let the music sway from enemies to lovers when the beat drops low.
I can try a short over here with a tight stop. Hopefully it doesn't go too fast. Come on, go down. Let's get down to 22. That's good.
And I promise you may try. That's what we know. Every move you make up there, I'm not a touch it like a star. Hearts punch your purse. Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move. Now I'm caught up in your groove.
Let's take a look and see what the algo's going to do. The algo is short bias.
That's who you know, must got me burning fast. Your moves are lethal, but I'm built to last. Watch me break your man. Enemies to lovers when the beat drops low.
The opening drive went short at 965. It got up around 50 points. See, that should go for 2 ATRs. It should set a 2 ATR stop.
They say love and hate two sides of the same coin we ride. So now we flip it, let it spin.
You know what? That's going to drive me nuts. I think I will try a small short trade here. Nope, that's it. So, yeah, didn't take long, eh?
Never buy, I know this better. Just you and me, one and all. Game mama, we both wait like this, nothing they can. Roll my lines on this dance. Just you and me, one and more. te indiquen. Manos temblando, backstage waiting, hearts racing faster, no hesitating. Primera vez en el barrio, mi momento necesario. Deep breaths, tell myself you got this, 10 años de práctica. Now the streets are back, ya. Mi familia in the photo, rezando por su hijo, yo. The speakers bumping loud, mi ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop. Gritando mi nombre, hey, hey, making these streets my home. Mi gente gritando mi nombre, never performing alone. Mi gente gritando, dale. From zero to here we've grown. Mi gente, mi gente, mi gente, this block party's where I belong. First beat drops, nerve feels gone. Energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático. Move with the beat, it's magic. Every face I see smiling. Years of doubt, now they're dying. Started in my basement, now the whole block's amazing. Dancing, jumping, living. It's a no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye, volumen. Now she's from a eyes so bright. Boulevard, we're moving. Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré nel attico un sonido magico, quella sto tossino moving sopra marico. Ancient more singing while my mind is ringing. Con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout. Feel it in my bones now, does it do this sound right? That I'm moving it takes me way back when no sito el momento. En gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The power of my ancestors call. El sonido antiguo me llena. Towards the light and now we're falling. Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. These can make connecting, rhythms that protect us. Moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing, gets my heart praying. Para mis ancestros while the beat is slaying. Voices del pasado, calling through time. Sangre y sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show. It's a sonido antiguo en mis venas, rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo me llena, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, our my ancestors call it. El sonido antiguo me llena, there was the light and now I can sing.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing along, 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 with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad, in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence down my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, que recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fatal. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just thinking low and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Y puedo enlazar, y puedo sin miedo elegir, sin miedo. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, de recuerdos perdidos.
La música regresa. La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone just the wooden floor, and memories of grace, past luces by highs, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, 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 with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad, in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables, despies en mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Igual en azar, igual sin miedo en la fin, sin miedo. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, de recuerdos perdidos.
You're right, you're right, you're right. How many times does that happen, eh? Well, I was grumbling that, shit damn, I missed so many trades today, and those were all the winners, and every trade I'm getting in on is the losers. I guess it has to even out because I've been missing a lot of losers lately in the past couple of days. So I guess it's only fair, right? Well, stop doing that. It's Latin Day Trader Channel. Yeah, I've been playing it most of the days because it's been good luck for me. Okay, I'm going to have a trade here. I'm going to go in for a 4-lot again on Bulenox. Oh shit. Thank God I got a little bit of a bounce. There we go. That was nice. That was a good long trade. Very quick. That was kind of odd price action there. I'm not sure if I want to trade Apex today. Come on, let's go down another 8 points. That way I can wait. There we go. The algo will go long again, right? The algo is set up. It's trading a little bit differently today. I'm only trading at 2 lots. It's up $103 over there, you can see. Oh, come on, get in. Okay, let's see if we can get above 78. Getting back to VWAP. Yeah, let's hope VWAP holds. I'm waiting for the next candle up on the waiting for a bullish candle on the 1 minute chart. That's gonna give me my that's gonna give me my entry on the algo. Let's get that up bar where we get below, otherwise we're gonna have to wait some more. Looking for longs, but aware of half gap. Below knowing that large gaps often don't get 50% that often. Gonna push back up the VWAP now. Nope. Maybe. Maybe not.
Just true. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the moon is growing. And like higher of the club, we unite.
Okay.
Breaking barriers every single night. They try to stop us, but we rise higher. We hunted dancing through the fire. No passport needed when we rock. Yes, the remote breaks the deadlock. Feel it coming through your veins. Echo than a remote, no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music ground.
I'm gonna get a short in topstep. I'll try to take it.
Music breaks down every wall, you know. Music breaks down every wall, let's go.
Okay, let's just knock in the first winner. Oh, we didn't do ratio. I'm supposed to do ratio on one of them. Meaning trade a 2 lot. Just knock out a small winner. for the warm-up trade. And looks like the algo is going to switch to bearish bias. Continue watching. There we are, short bias. So now we wait for setups to the short side. Okay, we avoided a losing trade on the long side. That's cool. I like that. I'm not going to complain about that, right? Where is the previous day's high? Right there, right? Yeah. What Chip was talking about half gap. Let me look at that half gap. This is a down candle. Let's see where that is. Color's got to change. Oh, we hit it already. We're hitting it a second time. But we're the half gap below. You know, we got large gaps. Often don't get 50% that often. 200-point gap up. 980. I don't see a 200-point gap up. If we're talking US Open, I have the close at 848 and the open at 980. About 140 points. 871. I'm going to let 10 o'clock pass before I take another trade, even if a setup comes. I mean, it's true, the algo may be a... well, the algo won't take a trade anyways. The algo needs 2 up bars. Oh, shit. We just got a nice short on top step. But no, I'm going to let 10 o'clock pass. The rotation higher right off the previous day's high. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. But there's the 10 o'clock. Nice. That was a strong move off. Oh, really? A little bit of a freeze there. I have an indicator on my paints in a green block for the close at 415. Nice. Yeah, I'm a visual guy. I like to see things like that. I don't like having to have to check for them, if you know what I mean. Half gap filled. Half gap filled. Again, yeah, you're saying 415. It's true, it's true. I have no idea what the 415 close was. Obviously, it's got to be under 848. If you're saying only the half gap was filled, let's go to the charts here. Let's just see. If you're saying the close is at 415. Or 415, 769. Yeah, what a big difference, eh? Yeah, that is a big difference. You have a close at 767, at least on the futures, and mine is showing 848. It's almost 70, 80 points higher, mine. Okay, let me put you back on. Let's go back to the 1 minute. And let's wait for our next trade. Oh, great. Have my hand on the wrong mouse. There we go. Let's go into positions. Make sure we're all filled. There we go. A little bit at a time. Every time a little bit, right? Yeah, that was cool. Got a decent, yeah, it's true. Got a decent profit out of that one, and it didn't really go, so I'm happy with that. The algo's going to take a short. Ouch. Ouch. Not sure I'm comfortable with that, but I don't get to decide, right? And topstep is going to go long, so I can't take topstep trades until until the algo and topstep are in agreement. And that's funny. That's going to be a great experiment, actually, to see the algo's running on an Apex account, so I have to let it go. So the algo is going to really determine my bias now for my Renko trades. 5 seconds. If this bar closes down, the algo goes short. 2, 1. No, it doesn't close down this bar. So let's push higher. Let's get above VWAP. Let's get above VWAP. We can get an agreement. Actually, we don't have to be... I should tighten up those bands a little bit. They seem a little wide. 19, 20, 30-point bands. That's wide. What was the regression bands? Let me just check that out while we're waiting for a trade to set up. Visible. Visible. They're not much tighter. I'm running with the AMA bands now for a bit. Okay, it's gonna go short. Oh, wait. 5. We got 4 seconds. It can go close up. 2, 1. Short. So we'll just let the algo run. 33 points. Oof, this could be a big stop. This could be a big stop. Let the lines draw in, and then I'll try and calculate. You know what? We don't have the ATR. I want the ATR on both charts. While we're waiting. $35 points. 35 points. That's a $104 loss, assuming we don't go too far beyond the bands. So the top step charts, which are long, are dominating and winning out in this case. But I couldn't take the top step trade because I would be hedging. I would be short and long at the same time. Coming right up into VWAP. Boom, taken out. So down $25, right? Is that what it says? Plus commissions, I guess $29. Not bad. A little up, a little down. And a bounce off the previous day's high. That is not surprising at all. You guys should really pay attention to those levels. Previous day's high, previous day's low. They really repel price. Okay, we'll try another long trade, just under VWAP. Oof. Not sure if I want to take that trade. Maybe I'll let it pass. Maybe I'll let it pass unless we get a little bit lower. There we go. Then we got some lower. Now I'll try it. If we get even a little bit more lower, that would be even better for me. 22. Let's get down to 15 bid. Come on. There we go. That's a good boy. I'll go long one. And I'll add one if I get the long trade. Got the long trade, I'll add one. Now let's get up to 36 bid. 36 bid. We have room to run. Really took me out. I'll get out for one. Yeah, I gotta get out. Okay, that sucked. Yeah.
Coming back for more. Every night flow, cracking all combos. Fading pushing, see what you ain't get both. Jumping in the hazy, alien anointing. Only good like in me. Just around, you pull, check out the big tune. I compare how they here for you. Think about that, be where my heart is bent. Just sitting. Breaking rules, losing control. Can't stop now, won't let you go. 매일 밤이 우리 천국. Top the world, this is our show. Every night at 12. Every night at 12.
Small trade here. Hopefully we can get down to 94. 2. 1. Yeah, 94. I'm gonna get down to a 94 offer. Hey, what was that quick at 900? That was a bunch of buying. And if we can break 900. There we go. Okay, I'll get out. Someone's buying at 900. It'll probably break. There we go. There was a 94 bid, but oh, I can get an offer. I'll take a quick one like that. That was a quickie. Go back up over into the 908. I'll take it again. 97. No longer anymore. I will do that though, because we did break already the 900s. 31 points. What's the okay. I was gonna say, what's the spread? Because price is acting weird. The spread's 50 75 instead of a quarter 50. That would partially explain the way we're trading right now. Let's see if I can get 8 points out of this. That's just a full wrinkle bar. No, I'm gonna catch all the single wrinkles today. Gotta get out of one piece because it didn't go right away. So I don't like it. Close, get out. Fire another bullet later. Kind of lucky it didn't stop me out though, but there we go. Oh, now I have a trade on the top step. Wow, that was a tear. See, that's what happens when you get in with a market order. Push lower. Bake me out. Market orders suck. I hate market orders. There we go. That's a better price. That's a better price than the top step entry. 91.01 is my exit though. Come on. Let me try one more. Oh no, I have to get out. Okay, well it wasn't so bad for a full loss again. Crazy. Didn't take too much from me. Wow, a lot of full losses today. The other day, nothing. A lot of full losses today. I'm going to actually track that right now. Let's get a vertical line up here. Boom. No. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I'm counting them. 8, 9. 9 full losses, and I think I caught most of them. And winners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 winners, 9 losers. It's active. It's active this morning, and what's the next? Oh, I was saying before, I don't know if anybody's interested. There's really not a lot of people in the room, but the Bulenox sale is continuing. The 91% off. Apex, I have no idea what the percentage off is right now. But to be honest with you, I don't even think my coupon works. I think it got disabled and they never re-enabled it, even though they said they did. So I got to look into that. Joker's not streaming today. Or did he start finally? Checked in on him a couple of times. He wasn't there. Wow, look at that 5-minute chart. Woo, on the ES. That's insane. That's insane. Look at the US session on the ES, the 5-minute chart. Let's see if I can, if it looks decent. Hold on. I'll switch to it. Oh yeah, it's pretty decent. I thought the setup got all screwed up. Look at that up and down action in the US session on the ES. Crazy. I think you can say there's an SMT right now. ES is showing relative strength. NQ showing relative weakness. Get a bird's eye view. We're still above previous day's close and previous day's high. That's bullish. Unfortunately, below VWAP. If we can get above VWAP. If we can get above VWAP, that would be interesting, actually. Well, let's try it. Markets aren't that unstable. Let's try a couple of more copy trade accounts. Fair value gaps don't show up too much, over here. Not even sure how it's orange. Not even sure how they show up. Okay, well, the top step's going to go long, and the algo might be going long bias soon. We're going to watch. Yep, there you go. You got the long. You got the blue, the background painted blue there. So the algo is long bias. What does the daily chart look like? I didn't check in on that. Yeah, gotten above the 50 moving average, eh? Interesting. I was watching that. Well, I don't know how people trade copy 20. Here I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now, and it does one at a time. It doesn't do them all at the same time. That's terrible. You should just pop them all in at the same time. Just a little bit under view up, eh? Oh, we got a trade. Let's try a 2-lot. 57, I'm lotting long at 55. I'll add over there at 49. Push it higher. Fix my average price. Had to flatten all, guys, because every single one was out of sync. Can you believe it? Let's try again. I'll get in at 50, 51. Let's go to positions. Okay, now it looks proper. Let's just try it again. Okay, there, it worked. It'd be fun if I had the confidence to actually hang on to the trade. This stupid trade copier just does nonsense all the time. Shit, I was long at 50 over there, 50, 51. I had to get out. Well, the first time I got out, because the trade copier just was out of sync on all 5 accounts. They all turned orange. The algo to go long, we would need 2 bearish bars, so we're quite far from the algo going long. The algo right now is down $29. Trading a 2-lot because I changed it a little bit. I just want to make sure that could be an entry right here. I'm not going to take it though, but at 56, 57, that could be an entry with a 7-point stop for me and go up to like 65, 66, 67. 63, there you go. That would have been like 10 points. Too bad I didn't take it. Why didn't you take it, Mike? I don't know. I can't answer all your questions. I didn't do a sound check. I'm assuming it's working well. Nobody's complaining. How are we doing? Let me open it here. Let's just do one now while I'm waiting. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, I have a deep voice. Okay, looks like it's working. All good. Music's not too loud. Music's the perfect volume, and we wait. No chasing, no FOMO. Where's my card? Or as Sean says, my sticky note. Oof, there's so many no's. No chasing, no FOMO, no adding. No entries if you have a reason not to take a trade. No increasing size beyond 6 lots. Who's the leader account actually? I don't even know. The leader account is up $96. I should take a couple of trades in Topstep, eh? Topstep's only up $62, not enough. Well, when we get something good, we still have the initial balance area that can cause some volatility. We're trading above VWAP, so that's a good bias to the upside, and it helps. Tempted to just jump in here because it's showing strength, but maybe if I can get in on a bit of a retrace, like getting in at 71, that would be not so bad. If I was to be chasing, at least I can have a 7-point stop on that. Do I try for a 1 lot? We go there. This is really the last opportunity for that. And if we get up to 85 bid, that's it. Over. No more retrace trades until we get a deeper, pullback, until we get a deeper pullback. Stretched up enough already. There's the 85 bid, holding, gone.
we're just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night, mama saying bye volumen. Now she's far away, so bright. Pull the vital and move it.
Still waiting, guys. I need a bit of a pullback before I enter a trade, so just sitting here, listening to music. Really not much for me to do unless I chase. We're coming up to the initial balance forming. Well, I found that if we break initial balance, like right at 10:30, that's an indication of continuation.
Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré en el ático un sonido
Might take a break and go heat up my coffee.
con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral making my heart race shout, feel it in my bones now.
Wow, that's the initial balance high, and it's almost at the, I mean, pretty much at the 20,000 level. You don't get a bigger round number than that, eh? That's the round number of all round numbers, 20,000, 10,000. No surprise, we're trading lower now. Not surprised we traded lower there.
Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. Beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing gets my heart praying. Para mis ancestros while the beat is slaying. Voces del pasado calling through time. Sangre sonido, your story and mine.
Still waiting. We're going to get that second bearish bar, so that's going to get us closer to a long trade. Once we get that. Once we get that second bearish bar, which already formed, now we just wait for a bullish bar. Where will the long be?
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wood and floor, the memories of grace, las luces bajas, no one else to see.
Yeah. Watching for that bar. Hopefully this the second trade on the algo will be a winner, and it'll take us over IB high. Did we even break it at all? Looks like we're gonna try and do it now. Maybe. 20,005. I mean, we broke over the 20,000 level. Is this gonna be the move? Come on, let's get up a little bit more. 20,000. Boop. It's I don't know. Okay, 17 points. It's not going to be too painful if we get stopped out. Not going to be too painful if we get stopped out. I mean, I'm hoping we don't get stopped up. I'm hoping we see a real strong push over 20,000 now. That is a possibility. And maybe even a good one. Come on, let's get over 20,005. That was the high before. And don't reject lower immediately. Get over 20,005 and don't reject. My stop is 953. No, it rejected immediately. I said don't do that. Entry 994. Yeah, better than mine. Mine's at 01.75. Come on, it's gonna go. I can smell it. I can smell it. Okay, 0124, 17 points. That's 17 points. It's going to get out on the close of the candle. Hopefully the candle will close strong. Hopefully the candle will close strong. 12 seconds, but I'm only up 12 points. That sucks. Let me at least get an ATR out of this. There we go. That's an ATR. Perfect. That was good. That was an ATR. So did we confirm today's direction. I'm looking at the ES and the MNQ. I'll just put them up. ES broke the London session highs. That's the blue box. NQ didn't. NQ still has to get over the London highs. ES did. But I'm glad to see the algo still doing well. Locked in 100. Good job. I have small numbers up here still. I haven't been trading with conviction. And obviously it's because of the trade copy. It makes me very nervous. Can't go in with market orders. It just costs too much. It's like they fill you 4 points away or something. It's like cheating. I'm going to probably get a long here. I'll take it in the top step. Hopefully it'll work out. Wait for it to confirm though, not to get in early. Saving a point isn't going to do me anything. Okay, I'm long. Let's go. Push higher. Bye, 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 bye. There we go, out. That was a quick $30. Chip away. If I can get back in at a better price, I'll do it again. Better price is anything under 20. Nope, that's it. Finished. Finito for that trade. Long at 33. Yeah, I think we're going to see a strong day today. Just by the fact that on the daily we're over the 50 EMA. We got a long wick here. The buyers jump back in pretty quickly. What do we look like on the last? Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday the dump. Continue Thursday, Friday higher. Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday a little selling again. But today will most likely just be a strong day. Unfortunately, well, no, not unfortunately. I was going to say the next trade the algo is going to take is going to be to the short side, but that's not unfortunate. I mean, if markets reverse, that's fine. It's going to require quite a bit of movement, though. We're going to probably have to get down to the 940 level. That's almost 100 points, so that's why I switched from the LRC, the linear regression curve, to the EMAs. The EMAs take a little bit longer to switch bias. So I get like less false signals on a strong run. I found I was getting a little bit too many false signals on strong runs. Wasn't happy with it. Okay, well, we're in major white mode right now. Mm-hmm. I'm so far away from a trade that I'm saying to myself, I should definitely go refill my coffee. I mean, if I'm going to do it, now's the time, right? So we're going to do the initial balance retest. My initial balance doesn't, did we already have it? Oh, we already had it once. Oh, I missed it. Why doesn't my initial balance draw a line across? Open range, extend line. Okay, there we go. Boom, now we see it. That should have been there. I potentially missed a trade. Let's get a little push up. If we can get a run now, I'd be happy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Just true. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the moon is growing.
We're gonna get an entry. We're gonna get an entry. There we go. So do I get a better price? That's a better price. I'm long at 29.75. The system's long at 34. Wow, that's a much better price. Let's get up $20, $30. 17. Ouch. I think I check positions, make sure everything is out. Everything is out. Yeah, I was just gonna go on your channel. I just saw that you were on. I was checking in, and I noticed you weren't there. You weren't there. You weren't there. You weren't there. And I just checked now, and I saw you. Good morning. Good morning, sleepyhead. Oh no, good morning, Sleeping Beauty. I mean, I don't know if you slept in. I wanted to sleep in this morning. I'm gonna have to take a trade and actually hold it properly. I'm not holding properly. Let's go check out Joker Trades now that he's online. There's the Joker. Click the like. Say good morning. Give a heart. Give some hundreds. I don't even know what those hundreds mean. Anybody knows what those stupid hundreds mean? Well, it's running. It's running. Too bad I didn't hold properly.
Let the music music show the way.
Thank you.
Moving faster, Spanish streets, strings and drums make it complete.
Did you trade rhythmic? No, no more. Never again. Trade evade only. Wow, I just realized that was incorrect. Bulenox. My Bulenox accounts are rhythmic. Wood chip. Never again in given the option, but I can't go trade evade in Bulenox. But I am going to switch over to Project X. I'm sick of Rhythmic. I don't know. I told you Rhythmic separates their servers into 3 different servers, and it just screws up my my algos and my indicators, but mostly the algos. Sorry, it doesn't screw up the indicators. That's false. Ninja, but through Rhythmic. That's it. Ninja through Rhythmic. There's no trade evade option, as far as I know. But again, like I said, I'm going to switch to Platform X. Actually, I said I was going to do it at the beginning of May. I don't know why I waited. Is it, what's today? May 1st? May 2nd? May 1st? Yeah. Problem is, I'll never be able to run an algo if I do that. That's what's kind of making me hesitate. I like, Bulenox is like a little bit of a testing ground for me, so I shouldn't treat it as such, but I do, and if I can run my algos there. So there's the catch-22. I can't run my algos because the Rhythmic server screws them up, because they break it down into an order server, an entry server, and a confirmation server, if I understand correctly, the documentation. The servers aren't in sync, they don't communicate with each other, so things can really get screwy. They tell you that, they warn you about that. But I don't want to leave, because I want to be able to trade. I want to be able to trade what I can't trade. How does that make sense? Or what doesn't work properly. But you know what? I do so well in Topstep X, so maybe I should just give, they also have a trade copier. It works much better than the Apex one, in my opinion. Maybe I should, hey, let's take a poll. Let's take a poll. For the whole week, I'm going to take a poll. You know what? The algo might not get a trade at all, eh? I'm so 50-50 on this, I have no idea. I have no opinion. It's 10:52. Shit, it's getting quiet. Volatility's 14 points. I mean, the numbers are green. I guess that's good, right? I'm not empty yet. I don't have to go yet for a coffee. Well, I guess this is good trading, eh? Just sitting and waiting. This is good trading. Well, on the 5-minute charts, we've taken out the London session highs. I can see. I mean, we didn't take them out on the 5-minute chart. We took them out on all charts. I can just see it on the 5-minute chart. You don't get much more bullish than that, boys and girls. I mean, we're basically over everything. And when you're over everything, that's strong. What do I mean by over everything? Previous day's close, previous day's high, VWAP, London highs, Asia highs. Whatever's in the rear view mirror from yesterday is quite far behind us, if you think of it that way. I could have taken a 1 lot on the algo account. Yeah, let's take a 1 lot. Let's try to get 7 to 10 points. But my entry is wrong. It should have been at 46. I'm 11 points higher. And given that I'm 11 points higher, I shouldn't be in this trade. Especially since the target was 14. That was an irresponsible entry. Uh, 48 I'll add, but now I'm already in trade management mode. Nice. Yeah, I don't know why I entered late. It's only a 1 lot. I guess I was bored. There we go. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. When I open Ninja, it doesn't give me option to connect rhythmic. Let me see if I could fix that for you, wood chip. Go into tools, options. Tell me when you're there. Just trading higher. Oh yeah, it's true. I was saying it's taking you so long, but yeah, you're on a 10-second delay, maybe even more if you didn't click the live button. You could be 45 seconds behind me. You can be an. I'm opening it. Okay. Yeah, you're on a delay a little bit. Also, I have to always remember that. I forget that. Just like I forget my mic off all the time. Anyways, when you get there, tools, options, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines down. There's something called multi-provider. Make sure that that's checked off. I should have maybe just told you all that in one shot. Maybe you already did that and you... But anyways, I mean, it's still good to check that it's ticked off. I know that's a big problem. A lot of people have problems with that. They don't have multi-provider ticked off, and what's the over under that you can grow your beard to your knees? Talking to Joker with you. Multi-provider off, no on. Multi-provider has to be on. There has to be a check mark. We're just waiting for a trade. See what that does. Waiting makes you sing. $63. Really? Okay, but that connection don't work. The rest I have to kind of walk you through, maybe on an audio channel or something like that. If we were to do it, it's too difficult. Username is my Apex account. Yeah. Let me just get out of this trade here, and then I'll close down, or I'll see what it looks like on my thing. I'm in a trade right now. Just a 2 lot, but still in a trade. I'm not did you have multi-provider checked off, or did you have to check it off? The only reason why I'm asking is because if you had it off and you turned it on, you might have to restart your connection. It was already on. Okay, so then there's no restarting. Okay, so let me close connections. Let me close my connections. Disconnect. I'm out of the trade. Connections. Configure.
No puedo dormir, dormir. No puedo dormir sin ti.
I'm checking. I'm checking. I'm checking. Yeah, okay, so it looks like the way I have it set up over here is connections configure. You go, oh, there's another long trade. Let me take it. I can do this one if I can get a better price here. I shouldn't be trading while I'm trying to help you out. Let me take my $15. What does that bring me to? 98 in topstep, whatever. Yeah, you click on in the available connections, you double click on Rhythmic for Ninja Brokerage, make sure it gets added down below. And then yeah, you enter in your username, your password, and Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago. That should work. If it doesn't, then try system is Apex. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yes, system is Apex. You are right. Yeah, I'm curious how mine are in. Let me see. Hold on. Let me disconnect. Connections. Configure. System plugin mode for use. Settings. Yeah, okay, even for Rhythmic when I had it, that's correct. Apex. Connect on start doesn't matter. Username, yeah, username would be Apex dash and whatever your username is, not the account name, just username, your password. System Apex, it should work. I don't know what you mean, the box for our trader. I don't have that box. Ah, plug-in mode for use with our trader. I had to extend my box. No, I don't have it checked off. And that's, do you have our trader open at the same time? That's also could be a little bit of, because yeah, there is some funky stuff with that plugin if you have Rhythmic also open at the same time. Close Rhythmic while you're doing this, yeah, okay. So yeah, if your Rhythmic is closed, then you don't need that plugin thing. Well, that I'm not sure about again, because, you know, I get that. My son gets that. Our trader goes down a lot, so if you said since last week, I would say, okay, maybe there's a problem. But since yesterday, I didn't check. I didn't log into our trader, so I don't know. They're down so often. But if you can't log in general, then I don't know how did I connect there. Then yeah, that could be. Hey, come on. Yeah, you got to figure that out. There's really no reason that you can't log into Rhythmic. Rhythmic is easy. It's the username and password. There's no settings that prevent you from logging into Rhythmic. Unless you have, again, Ninja open and you're trying to open up 2 data connections. But that should get you in, what we just did. What time is it? 11:10. Well, I never even noticed. I guess it's a change. It's been a long time. I haven't been in the settings, but I never saw that there were. Well, I don't know. Troubleshooting, you got to go all the way down to step 1. So for me, step 1 would be go on to Apex, confirm your username and Rhythmic ID, and then close Ninja and try to log on to Rhythmic. That's step 1. Make sure you got to get Rhythmic working. I mean, I don't mind helping you with it, but it'd be so much easier for just on a live voice chat or something, you know? Because this 8-second delay and then you having to type. I don't know if you're trying what I'm telling you or if it worked. Hey, I'm curious. Can I go into 2 Discord channels? Maybe you can come into the Discord. Is there such thing as a voice channel only? Can you create a voice channel? Oh no, the mic will only, I don't know, maybe, let's see. Can I create just a voice channel? Because I think if I try to go into the, looks like you're in another voice channel. Are you sure you want to switch? Switch, really, eh? Well, let's try it. My camera's gone. Are you serious? That takes my camera off, eh?
Used to see you at the club, looking mean. Every weekend, same routine. You
Anyways, if you want to go into the Discord, let me know. Anyway, it's 11:13 and
ain't nobody crossed that floor. Tonight when you said no more.
oh my god. I completely forgot about my MFFU account.
When you step my way, got me feeling like prey. But baby, tonight we both gonna play.
Wow, I didn't even load it up. Oh well, no big deal.
Enemies to
I would have traded it also.
drop slow. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. Not gonna show me try. That's what we know. Every move you make up there, I'm not touch it like a tie. Heart's about your purse. Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move. Now I'm caught up in your groove. Temperatura subiendo más, got me burning fast. Your moves are lethal, but I'm built to last. Watch me break your mask. Enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow.
Oh, that was a big move. There's some aggressive buying at 11:15.
They say love
Not surprised.
sides of the same coin we ride. Tonight we flip it and let it spin. See which side we're in.
Took out liquidity. What liquidity? What liquidity do we take out? I don't see liquidity. We got the R1. I don't know, I'm looking like 2 days back. I don't see liquidity here. Oh, maybe. Wait. 15-minute chart. Nope. I don't see it. Oh well. Maybe just the US session highs.
Let this new thing begin.
Looks like we might still try to go higher. Wow, look, we're way over 20,000, eh? Crazy. Crazy.
The speakers bumping loud, near ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop.
Ooh, missed. Wonderful.
Making these streets my home, mi gente gritando mi nombre. Never performing alone, mi gente gritando dale. From zero to here we've grown. Mi gente, this block party's where I belong. First beat drops, nerve hills gone, energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático, move with the beat, it's magic.
Good. Happy. That's what matters.
It's a no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye, volumen. Now she's far away, so bright. Boulevard, we're moving.
Gotta post a video on the updates that Bulenox did. I think I'll do that later today. Why not? I gotta look for summer tires also. Volatility went up to 15 points. Yeah. My cat is snoring. I have a cat that snores. Well, I tried to avoid most bad decisions today. I mean, I FOMO'd into a couple of trades, I think, but I got out of them quickly enough. Pretty much as soon as I recognized what I did. Or I entered in late. I guess that's my baby side, not being happy with the fact that I missed the entry. I'm not willing to wait for another one. You wait so long, you miss the entry. It's like, oh my god, I gotta wait another half an hour now for a trade. So the algo on 2 lots did what? $49. Okay, so it would have done 125 if it was on a 5 lot. I guess I still got to test it. Because I changed some settings. So now we're back in testing mode, but I'm not going to put it on sim. I'll just keep it on 2 lots for tomorrow also. It looked like it did everything right. Today, I have no problems with what the algo did today, so I'll put it again tomorrow on the Apex account.
Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. These can make connecting rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm
Come on, go up.
making this our last now, simple la magia, rising through the sound.
There we go.
Every string I'm playing, gets my heart praying, para mis ancestors while the beat is slaying. Voices del pasado, calling through time.
You know what I'm going to try? I think I'm going to try this time. I'm going to watch the algo when I get a bullish candle on the Heikin chart. I'll take a 1 lot. Oh, wait, I think I just found my reason not to take the trade. It's a very obvious one. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be the 5th time. Not sure if that's a good idea. I think I'll just watch it. Not taking the 5th continuation move. That's a little that's a little aggressive.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace, las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, the silence by my side.
Well, you know what I don't see? The swings! The swing points, I should put them on the black chart.
The chairs against the wall, They watched us dance before.
I will do that right now
So what I'm looking for, me
because I like to see the swing highs and the swing lows. What's this? Am I using 3, 5, 3?
Baila solo, solo, solo. Aunque silencio orillado.
We can't use. Oh, we can. Yeah, we can use that. We can use that. Blue and orange. Perfect. There we go. Does it look the same as the other one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, they're a little bit bigger over here. That's why we see them. Yeah, a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger so we can see them better. That's 2. 2 is enough.
The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just take a low and everyone share the floor now writing my own story.
There we go. Now we can see them. Okay, so there's no chats that I got to deal with. I am going to go refresh my coffee. And I will be back soon.
Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, the silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, los silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más que recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables, despies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill. Like it is not just they galore when everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. The freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
Fuck it was a night, no words, get it right. The bass hit different when you move like that shit. Saw you first the floor, down. Language barrier, don't give it down. Your body speaking loud and clear. Bet you feel the heat right here. Te quiero bailar, don't need to explain. Side-eyeing, baby, what? Just let the beat bang. First and Steve got me shook. Body talking, that's a hook. No translation needed now. Let it go, we'll figure out how. First and Steve got me shook. Body talking, that's a hook. No translation needed now. Let it go, we'll figure out how. Can't understand shit you say, but your moves ain't lying. Hey, got that international swag. Fuck it up, make the floor say. Get over a lot, don't need to explain. Start riding, baby. Just let let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. Hey, 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 hey. Fuck it up, fuck it up.
Mic's back on. That's off and that's on. Hello, everyone. I didn't get coffee. I got water. My wife says I don't drink enough water. I hate water. Mic is on. Yeah, it looks like mic is on while I was gone. Ouch, the top step chart is short. There's water and coffee. Yeah, you know what? I didn't Google that. I ChatGPT'd it. It's not the same thing. Coffee dehydrates you, so it works against the water. Diet Coke's got the aspartame or whatever it is, phosphoresmarine. Whatever chemical they use, they have a few of them. That's no good. So while you get a little bit of the hydration, I mean, you get hydration from anything that has water. That was my point that I made, but no, I guess ChatGPT says caffeine dehydrates. Yes, ChatGPT says stick with pure water. I tried to get short there, didn't work. So what chip did it? Did you get it to work? You didn't respond since it used to work. Now I can't even phone trade through Rhythmic. Can't connect to Rhythmic. I don't know. I didn't get an update. I mean, I'm guessing probably not. But you never know. We can be optimistic. Okay, so we traded down to the swing low. We didn't close below it. We just wicked it. I can't even log into Rhythmic. Well, if you can't log into Rhythmic, like I said, maybe you rolled your eyes at me, but yeah, if you're troubleshooting, you gotta check, double check, and triple check that you're entering in the correct username and password. So log on to your Apex account, apextraderfunding.com, and confirm it with there. Do a copy paste, number one. And number two, like I said, if you go into the voice channel, I'll compare your Rhythmic settings with mine, and we'll see. After that, it's call Apex. So what do I got? It's true. Okay, hold on. I'm looking at my Rhythmic cancel. I'm looking at my Rhythmic for Bulenox. It's not the same thing. Give me a second. Let me just open it up over here. Nobody run away. Be patient. I'm back already. It wasn't so painful, was it? Okay, well the algo would take another short. It goes until 11:45, so interesting. But we need a down candle, a bearish candle on the Heiken SG chart down below. I think I want to finish the day all green, so I'm not going to run it in the last few minutes. It's kind of cheating, eh? Oh my God. You're not lucky. What chip? Both my rhythmics on my other computer also, because I don't have rhythmic anymore with Apex. So both my rhythmics on both my computers are both set up for Bulenox. But I'm guessing the system is Apex, right? Yeah, the system would have to be Apex. And then the gateway, I don't know what the gateway would be. Chicago area, I'm guessing. Looks like it, basically, since everything else is Frankfurt, Mumbai. Cancel. Yeah, they look like pretty obvious settings, to be honest with you. Nothing that you could be making a big mistake on. Yeah, well, I guess that's it. At the end, you have to contact Apex support. That's what I would do. I mean, like I said, it looks pretty straightforward. Well, the algo trade would have been a winner. I'm curious to see where it would have got out. Let me mark it in just by enabling the algo. I wouldn't have done that good. Small winner. That would have been a winner. Nonetheless. Okay, do I stick around or do I call it quits? Still didn't really break that swing low, eh? I mean, we wicked it, but couldn't close below it. And we are trading above initial balance high. We're trading above VWAP, previous day's high, previous day's close. Obviously, if we're trading above previous day's high, we're trading above the previous day's close, right? It wouldn't be possible to trade below the close, but above the high. There we go. There's the move lower. Let's get a push. No, still hesitating at this level here. 20,048 doesn't want to go. A little bit of support over here. Thing is, if it's not going to break lower, I would have expected it to shoot higher much quicker than it is doing right here. I wouldn't expect it to stick around this long. So I'm thinking we break lower. Let's go. Let's get a momentum candle. Let's get down to 20,020. Quickly. Well, we're having another hurricane weather event. Well, we didn't get to 20, but we're slowly drifting lower. Yeah, a little more. A little more.
Te veo en la esquina con esa actitud divina. Sabes que no debemos, pero igual lo hacemos. Me distraído, pero estoy bendecido. Cada vez que llegas, te haces perder la cabeza. Every night at 12, I lose my fucking mind. Made by Moshi, can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you ain't get go.
Oh, yeah, it's true, eh? I said I was going to set my PDLL to 200 in topstep. I don't need more than that. How about 250? Yeah, 275. That's plenty. Liquidate and block. Save. That's excellent. I love the way you can set the risk settings in topstep X. Not only do you put a PDLL, you get to lock it for the day, so you can't even change it. And it's an option. You're not forced. Of course, you want to say yes to that. Why would you want to change your risk settings? Yeah, they should help you out. Wow, look at that. We've been running higher since yesterday at 10:41 on my higher time frame Renko chart. What does that look like on the 15-minute chart? Yesterday, 10:41. 10:15, 10:30 from here. That's pretty impressive. I like that. I like that setting. Yeah, that's frustrating. Actually, at the point you're in, I mean, if I was a tech support guy, if you've manually typed in and copy and pasted your passwords, at that point, I mean, I don't know, maybe they know something. Obviously, they're going to know something I don't know, not maybe. But just from the outside, the next step would be to delete both platforms and reinstall them. But I think you even said you did that also. No, don't look at it that way. Flip it on its head. Look at it as a good day. You got it resolved.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's 11:50. I never do good after 12 anyways. We're drifting lower. I'm just sitting here. The algo's not going to take a trade for a long time. I don't like trading after 12. I've never done well in that time zone, so I'll be back at 7. Co-streaming with Joker. I hope. Should be. Yes. Let me just check in here. I took my earpiece off. You can maybe hear me. Weird shit like this has happened before. No, there's no it should work. Now they have to solve it. It should work now. Would they accept that with your payment? It should work. Would they give you accounts if you would tell them my payments should work? No, your payment has to work. And same thing for them on their side. Oh, he's closed up. He's done. Joker's gone. Okay. It's just me. OFT's gone. Joker's gone. It's coming up to 12 o'clock. Like they do it on purpose. I don't think they do it on purpose. It's how they make their money. Meaning they need it working. Okay, everybody ran away. Well, we got way below the 20,020.
you much, you know it'll be fun. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. No puedo dormir. Dormir. No puedo dormir sin ti.
And up to the initial balance high.
No me puedes tomar. Better run while you can, porque soy el mar. Watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits till you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every ex I got still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please, I heard it all. Plenty try before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned.
Good morning, JC. I'm closing up, I guess. I don't think I want to be online anymore. I think I want to look for tires. I don't know. I just have this strong urge to look for tires. I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm just feeling the urge. Oof, 27 minutes. Wow, look at this little dump, eh? Getting down to VWAP. No kidding. No kidding. 15-minute chart about to fill the fair value gap. Yeah, let's take a look. Could be a long... okay, I see what you're saying. 950. Wow, I can't believe we that was a strong move down.
Con mi música antigua en la mano, por las calles de Madrid temprano, buscando almas que entiendan la magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando. Me ves aquí, sientes lo que siento, entre el ayer y hoy, bailando contra el viento. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila?
I just realized I keep calling it Platform X. It's actually Project X.
Monedas van resonando, la gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila?
That was a big move up, but went right up to VWAP. Is it going to trade lower again?
Y aunque algunos no entienden mi manera de ser, sigo aquí en mi esquina haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila
Calvin.
conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, baila conmigo.
Okay, let's get under 57.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no go crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mami, te go casa. My body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me. Me tienes loco. Breaking myself.
Let's get lower, under 57.
You got that power over me.
Bugger.
Can't fight this feeling. You're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning. Whoa, keep me winning. A power rush.
Bugger.
Makes you lose my mind. Every single touch got me hypnotized.
I'm long. Right at VWAP though. This could be a little bit of a problem. For me. That's the best part. I don't see VWAP. Huh.
Trust your body heat, rising to compromise and let it flow through your veins. Try me a say, you got that power over me. Beginning so cold, breaking my self-control. Poco a poco, you got that power over me. Power,
That's funny. Boosh. Boosh. He uses it in both directions though, so you never know which one he's talking about. We're going, we're getting above VWAP again. It's a bullish day, so that could have been just the, let's see how much that is on the Bulenox. Down to the 0.618 level, just a little bit below it. Optimal trade entry down there.
party tonight. We both gonna play. Let the music sway. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. 날 보면 춤을 춰. Dance with me now. Every move you make up there 나는 터질 것 같아. Hearts punch a burst. Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move. Now I'm caught up in.
Well, boom, 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 boom. That's the first algo trade. I'll take it to the short side for a one lot. Oops. What are we looking for? 20 points. The entry was at a little bit better, 56. So 40, 50, 40, 36. 66. I'll add one.
They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. So now we flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers,
Not crazy about the trade anymore, so I removed one. And if we get back down into the high 50s, hopefully I'll remove the trade. 64, 65, 66, 67, 66. Goodbye. Goodbye. It reversed too quickly. I think we're back to push, push, push. Actually, at lunchtime on VWAP, if there ever was an environment not to trade, that's it. So I'm not surprised I lost on that. Let's get above 20,000 again. That would be interesting. Let us look at the daily chart. Daily's strong. Daily's crazy strong. Gives me a different perspective than the 1 minute chart.
First beat drops, nerve feels gone, energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático, move with the beat, it's magic. Every face I see smiling, years of doubt, now they're dying. Started in my basement, now the whole block's amazing. Dancing, jumping, living, it's a no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night, mama saying bye, volumen. Now she's front row, eyes so bright, pull the vital and move it.
Okay, I'm along at 78. Let's see if we can get up to 85. 81. 80, 81. I got out at 81. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to call it an evening or morning here, whatever. 5 votes. Stay with Ninja. Okay, stay with Ninja. I'll run it again tomorrow and see what happens. Well, see you guys in the evening, 7 p.m. for the Joker Trades Futures Floor co-stream. Thanks for showing up today. I appreciate it. 29 stumps. Could do without the music. Seriously? I don't know. It keeps me entertained. But here you go. Here you go, stumps. There you go. No more music. Problem is, I'm checking out. I'm checking out. It's 12 o'clock. I think I've had enough. It's what? You know what? Next time I run a poll, long and strong. What chip? The deciding vote. Keep the music off or keep playing the music? Not now, but like next stream. Play the music, play music or don't play music. Maybe just lo-fi music, chill, relax beats instead of something so aggressive. Or just play it much lower in the background, maybe so I just hear it. Either way. Not enough people in the room yet for me to continuously talk, so. That makes sense. That makes sense. I like that. I like that thinking. See, that's why I count on you. Okay. From now on, I play it either really low so only I hear it, or I even play it on a different system so I only hear it. Sounds good. Okay, as I said, guys, 7 p.m., co-stream, futures floor, Joker trades. Lunchtime, I'm going to go spend some time with my kid, have a lunch. Yeah, no, it makes perfect sense. Makes perfect sense. The only thing is, like I said, there's not a lot of people in the room, so I'm not always talking, and the music kind of fills the gaps, when there's a lot of people and you're always, yeah, see you tonight, Joker. When there's a lot of people in the room and you're always talking, you don't have dead air, but when there's no, I don't, like my analysis is pretty, sure, let me know, type a message in the Discord. It's true, I wanted to tell you that we should communicate, with the Discord. Then a day later, he had music. You guys make me laugh. Oh shit, we're gonna get a trade now on the algo. Do I take it? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so I'll check the Discord at like 6:30 and I'll see. Put in what time. Don't just put in only if it's just put in we're starting at 7, we're starting at 7:30, put in what time you want to start at. I think I'll take this trade. Why not for a one lot? I'm selling just above VWAP. How cool is that? Come on, get me out there. Music is for the silence that bothers you. Okay, there you go. I end on a winner. I got back my few pennies from before. Anybody new? Click the subscribe. Click the like button, guys. 29 stumps. It's nice to see a new face in here. Hopefully you'll show up tomorrow. Tomorrow I got no music for you, Mr. Stumps. And bye, guys. See you tonight.